Hello all, welcome to this video series focusing on the NCS 5500 enhancements. In this series, we will discuss the improvements based on Jericho 2 chipsets. We will run demo to see each enhancements. All this after a short intro. My name is Tejas Lad and I am a technical marketing engineer in the Cisco MIGBU. As we all know, Jericho 2 brings in a lot of more capability when it comes to hardware resources. We can allocate resources for more stats. So in this first video, we will discuss the enhancements related to permit stats for Ingress ACL. NCS 5500 series platforms based on Jericho and Jericho Plus chipsets does not allow permit stats for Ingress ACL by default. If you want to check the permit stats in the ingress direction, we need to enable specific hardware module profile. But there is a trade-off. If we enable that particular hardware module profile, we will not be able to allocate the resources for QoS stats. But with Jericho 2, we do not have any such limitation. Jericho 2 having enough resources, we can allocate the stats for Ingress ACL by default. Let us verify this with the help of a short demo. We have a router with Jericho 2 based line card, that is NCS 5718DD SE. We have configured an IPv4 access list named permit stats. We have applied that in the ingress direction of the interface. We are sending end-to-end traffic from the traffic generator, and now we will see the matches in the ingress direction for the permit stats. We can see the counters are increasing. Let us verify the hardware module profiles. We can see there are no separate hardware module profile for enabling the ingress permit stats. This feature is applicable for the systems operating in both native or compatible mode. For further details on this feature, I would highly recommend to visit our XR Docs article. Hope this video was helpful. In the next video, we will discuss the programming of the Ingress ACL with respect to external TCAM. So stay tuned for the same, and thank you for watching.